Hey y'all, Miss Star here. I'm here to show you my Ice Fantasy Ice Queen cosplay makeup tutorial. And here's how I did it. Hey, okay, first you're going to want to make sure that your face is completely clean, that you have on your costume. You can protect it with a towel or a cloth. And since my hair is already short enough, I went on ahead and put it up in a wig cap. That way I could keep it out of my face. Okay, now I'm going to use my lightest foundation and some white face paint and put it all over my face, my ears, and my neck area. Okay, now I'm going to use my concealer and some setting powder to put all over my face, ears, and neck area. Now I'm going to use my brow pencil and spoolie to shape out my eyes, from thick in the center to long and thin at the ends. Then I'm going to use my concealer on the top and bottom to sharpen it up a bit. Okay, now on both eyes, I'm going to use this angled brush and this peachy eye color on the outer corners of my eyes, creating a cat eye shape. Then I'm going to use this dome brush and a silvery shiny color in the inner corners and the lower parts of the eyes, like so. Okay, now I'm going to use my liquid eyeliner to make cat eye shapes on the top of both eyes. Then I'm going to use my black pencil eyeliner to outline the waterline on both eyes, like so. Now I'm going to put on some mascara on both the top and bottom lashes of both eyes. Then I'm going to put on these false eyelashes according to the instructions on the package, like so. Okay, now using these two small fluffy brushes, I'm going to use this gray color here, the silvery one, and use it as my contouring. And then I'm going to use this bright, shiny white one to use as my highlighting. Now for my lips, I'm going to use this beautiful silvery lipstick and put it on first. Then I'm going to put on this pretty pink shiny one afterwards, like so. And now I'm going to put on my jewelry and of course my wig. And there you go. Thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please leave those in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!